How to buy data on MTN. So all that you have to do is just locate the call symbol and then press on it, and then come here and then come and locate the keypad option and then come and then press on it as well. So over here, all that you have to do is to simply dial the short code that you are going to use to buy the data. Okay, so simply come and then press on star and then come and then press on the 1 and then come and then press on the 3. The last is to come and press on 8 and then come and add the hashtag to it. Okay, and then I come and select where you have your MTN slot. Mine is on slot 1. I'm simply going to select option 1. Okay, then I call that one. So as you can see over here, you have the option to buy it from either the actual data, the midnight, the Kokroko. I'm going to select option 2. Okay, so simply come and then press on 2, then come and then click on the send. Okay, so over here you can simply come and then buy the data by simply coming to select the confirm, which is option 1. Okay, so simply come and then tap 1 and then come and press on the send. So after pressing on the send, what you have to do is to come and then select buy for sale. Okay, by simply selecting 1 and then come and press on the send. Okay, so after that, over here you have the option to select any of these. I want the flexible one, so I'm simply going to select option 1. So what I have to do is just put in 1 and come and press on the send as well. Okay, and then over here you can buy the amount that you want. Okay, by simply putting in the amount that you want to buy here. I'm going to put it here and then come and then press on the send. Okay, so when you press on it, you will see that it will come, and this is it. All that you have to do is just select the option 1 to buy by putting in 1 and then come and press on the send. Okay, so over here you have to choose to buy it from either airtime or mobile money. I'm going to select from airtime by putting in option 1 and then come and then press on the send. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully purchased data for totally the amount that I wanted on my MTN. Okay, so this is how to buy data on MTN.